guys, welcome to Banana Bros. It's me, Yellow Banana. So, this is episode 1 of making a Rainbow Friends game in Roblox Studio. Yeah. Today we'll be making a part you can collect and a part you can turn in. So, watch carefully because there's some stuff you have to do. Anyways, first, you're going to make your thing. I'm going to make mine a pretty simple thing. It's like a little duplicate. Like a little staircase, you know? Okay, now that I got my staircase, you're gonna go all and make sure that none of them have can touch off on. Then you're gonna make a duplicate of one of those parts. And you're gonna scale it a little bit weird, different than normally. Don't worry, it doesn't matter what this looks like. You have to set you can make it look like something, but I'm just gonna make it look transparent. But you have to do this. You have to rename it to the specific thing. You have to rename it to the specific part. Handle. This means it will be if you can when we make it where you can pick it up, you'll be able to pick it up. Now, we're going to add a tool into the workspace, a tool. You can get from clicking this plus button and searching tool. So, you're going to have all the parts into it. Every single one. Including the handle. Then I would connect all the parts together. So I'm going to start with the top part. And I'm going to insert a weld constraint. Then you see, when you get on it, there's a thing that says part 0, part 1. Part 0 is going to be the part, this weld constraint's parent. If you look up, you notice parent. You click, it'll tell what it is. So, if you name it, but I'm not. So this top part is part 0, and part 1 is the closest thing to it, which is this. Then I'm going to go to this one, which is the second one, insert a weld constraint into that. But since this has already been connected, let's connect this part to this part, or the second close. Then we'll insert into this one. This, since will be connected to the handle, which same process, weld constraint, part 0, part 1, handle. And then we're going to add two things into the tool. By the way, rename the tool a specific name. The specific name is item. You can change it, but you have to mess around with code later. But you're going to insert two things into it. A click detector and a script. Inside this script, you're going to insert first you're going to delete all this stuff, but local 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 tool equals script dot parent local click equals to tool dot click detector. Skip a line. Click dot mouse click connect function player. In the middle of that, we're gonna have tool dot parent equals player dot backpack. So if we test that out now, you'll notice that it's gone. Hold on. It's not supposed to be right. Also, make sure none of your parts are anchored, so. Oh! Wait, don't actually turn off King Collide. Not bad. Hold on. Keep King Collide on. Okay, now if we try that again, and if you did it correctly, you notice that it's there. When you pick it up, you hit it, it should be in your hand. But you might notice, this might not be the rotation you want. So, if you click on the tool, we'll start the game, obviously, but, and click handle, and rotate it. For example, I'm going to rotate it this way. I'm actually going to rotate it 90. Well, not the whole thing. Hold on. I'm going to rotate the handle by 90 by 180. And then I'm going to hit play. Click it again. Do it. You notice now it's correct. So if you move the handle and rotate it, you basically you can make it where, depending how you do it, be correct. So you're now gonna make a new thing called come. For some reason you have to call it come. So yeah. So I'm gonna make it like this. Then I'm gonna anchor it. Then inside of that, you're gonna insert a script. That script is gonna be local part equals script dot parent part dot touched connect function hit local character equals hit dot parent local humanoid equals to character find first child humanoid if humanoid then local backpack backpack equals player player find first child backpack. If backpack, then local local item equals to backpack find first child item. Right there is where you have to put whatever your the tool is called. So it's called tool, and put a lowercase version right there. If item equals to backpack find first child, then item destroy. So, if I'm correct, it should not work. So, hold on. Local player equals game game get service players get player from character. If player then also add a second script right here. Right. Now let's play. Now if we collect it, there we go, you'll see that the item's gone. And if I make multiple of it, so let me duplicate, duplicate. Now I have 4. So let's try again. Now that I have my 4, let's go turn them in. And you notice they're all gone. But if you're holding one, for example, hold on, let me collect all of them. I have one in my hand. Every single one except for that one you're holding will be gone. So, yeah. Anyways, thanks for watching, and remember, if you like bananas, subscribe. This is the end of Banana Bros.